It's a sunny morning. Emma and her little brother Tom go to the park. They walk slowly on the path and look around. The birds are singing and the flowers are blooming. Tom sees a big red ball. "Can we play?" he asks. Emma smiles and says, "Yes, let's play." They throw the ball back and forth, laughing and having fun. After a while, they see a small dog running. The dog stops and looks at them. "Hello, little dog," says Emma. The dog wags its tail and barks happily. Tom laughs and pets the dog gently. Then, Emma and Tom sit on a bench. They eat some sandwiches and drink water. "This is a great day," says Tom. Emma nods and replies, "Yes, it's a perfect day at the park." When the sun starts to set, Emma and Tom say goodbye to the park. "We'll come back again," says Tom. They leave, smiling and holding hands.